Coming to the unboxing, you will get this Striff laptop stand along with a carry bag. I've been using this Striff laptop stand for more than 1 week now. I'm going to share what are the good and bad things I noticed in this one. So let's start the review. Coming to the price right now, at the time of this video recording, this one cost around 429 rupees. Sorry, 425 rupees. Also, you will get two color options in this one. One is silver, of course, this one, and another one is black color. And coming to the price of black one, both are like same cost right now. In future, I don't know whether the price increase or not. If demand is high means they obviously increase the price. If demand is low means they decrease the price. Coming to the build quality, this Striff laptop stand is totally made up of with aluminum. The one word I would like to say here is it's a solid build quality. Also, right after the unboxing, after seeing this thing, I feel surprised because of only one thing, how compact it is, and also it's very light in weight. By the way, this one weighs around 260 grams only. It's very small, portable, and you can easily carry it anywhere you like, either in your bag or by using this carry case. And also it won't require much space in your bag. The operation of this Striff laptop stand is very easy. Just you open like this and you close like this. That's all. If you observe the laptop stands, each and every laptop stand has its own height adjustments. This one is having 7 height adjustments on the back side. You can adjust based on the angle you like. And by the way, this is not only for laptops, you can use it for tablets, mobile phones, or even if in case you are reading means you can use it like reading stand too. It's totally up to you. After placing the laptop on this one, I never noticed any of the jerks or movements during accidental touches. Thanks to its build quality, and also one more thing is there, it's all about the grips it is having. This Striff laptop stand is having total of 10 grips, where 4 are located on the back side, each corners, and remaining 6 are at the front. This grips really helps to hold your laptop rigidly and to do not move anywhere like during accidental touches. Also, you can use up to 15.6 inch laptops on this one, where most of the users use close to 15.6 inch or below that only. In terms of weight means use the laptops which are below 3 kilograms. The main use of these laptop stands is for better air circulation for the laptops. If you're using any normal laptops means you won't see much heat on those ones, but when it comes to this gaming laptops, especially this heaviest laptop MSI, or you can take the Predators, Dell Alienware, even though the thermals are good in that laptop, but it pumps a lot of heat. To compensate that heat, we need these type of stands. And also one more type of stands are available. It is called cooling pads, where actually external cooling fans are there which helps to cool down your laptop. So for better air circulation, this is really needful for you. And also this one only works on tables only. If in case you are planning to work on your bed or in your lap especially, it won't work. Just flat surface is needed for this to use. Come to the warranty, this one comes with no warranty. Yes, you heard it right. No warranty for this one. If you use correctly this one, it will last for some years of time. Damn sure for that. I guarantee for you. So that's the review of this one, guys. And come to the bad things. I never faced any of the bad things. So if in case you found anything after using it means just let me know through the comments so that users who are watching this video will actually get the information. Also, I given the link of this product in the description box. Feel free to check the link. For your convenience, I actually pinned this link in comment box also. Also, subscribe to techbunny for more gadget review videos. See you again in the next video. Take care.